In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Adore You by Harry Styles, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, let's check out this song. Now we're going to learn to play this song in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are A minor, C major, and F major. Let's learn those chords together now. So the first chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is F major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Next, we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and F major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A minor, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, let's apply the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, 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 down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Adore You. 1, 2, ready, go. Walk in your rainbow paradise. Strawberry lipstick, state of mind. I get so lost inside your eyes. Would you believe it? You don't have to say you love me. You don't have to say nothing. You don't have to say you're mine. Honey, I'd walk through fire for you. Just let me adore you. Oh honey, I'd walk through fire for you. Just let me adore you. It's the only thing I'll ever do. It's the only thing I'll ever do. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Adore You. And that's how you play Adore You by Harry Styles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and for my friends at Soundbrenner for providing this awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out these other tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.